Welcome back, friends. I said friends. Okay. Today I have something that kind of will sound like a megaphone, but quieter. It's this paper towel thing. Is that what you call it? Or a paper towel roll? I don't know. Today I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this, okay? That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I know what this is. This is a thing where foil goes over it. I think that's what that is, okay? That's what I'm assuming. Can I get away from the phone to see if I can do it? Can y'all still hear me? I wonder if y'all can hear me, okay? Ah! It's not loud. It's a little loud, okay? Just a tiny bit, okay? What else is this gonna do? Just talk, okay? Gonna blow it into the camera? Not really, it doesn't blur it. Also, this thing has paint on it, okay? This thing has paint on it. It has yellow paint, blue, wait, there's no blue. There's purple, white, red, and that's it, okay? And then, of course, yellow. I wonder if y'all can still hear me while I go get my hat. I wonder if y'all can listen, okay? I just get my hat on now. Is that what I do? I'm just getting my hat, okay? That's what I was doing over there, okay? Okay, I got my hat on, okay? What else can I do with this thing? Just don't talk. I don't know. This kind of reminds me of a megaphone. That's what this reminds me, okay? Here in a minute, I'm gonna make a coffee after this video, okay? After this video, I'm gonna make a coffee, okay? Y'all wanna see my mouth? It's a little difficult to see my mouth in this hole, okay? It's too hard. Well, that's all about this microphone. I wonder if I can yell. Yeah, I can yell some, okay? That's what I can. I can possibly yell. Can y'all hear me on the stairs? Okay, I'm about to start, okay? I wonder if y'all can hear me on the stairs, okay? That's what I did, okay? I went on the stairs, I want to know if y'all could hear me on the stairs, okay? I don't know if y'all did or not. I gotta test it out, though. On the video, okay? What else can I do with this thing? I can whistle down, so I don't sound like a whistle. Can y'all hear me down here? Well, I still down here, okay? That's the star. I still don't hear on the fly. When am I gonna pop back up? When am I getting up? There, I got up. This thing is very helpful. Well, I gotta become very helpful, okay? That's what this thing does, okay? Well, I'm gonna make me coffee right now, okay? So I'm gonna be done talking this thing, and then I'm gonna go make coffee, okay? So I'm done for today, okay? This thing was fun. I can yell though, okay? I can yell though, okay? This is fun. I had a great time. I'm gonna make me coffee, okay? It was fun. I had a great time.